Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through introduction to Microsoft Excel. We're going to learn about Microsoft Excel, definition, basic structure, core features, uses and advantages. So without wasting any time, let's define Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? So in a simple definition, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software in the Microsoft Office suite. That is a simple definition. We talked about the basic structures. For example, we have workbook, worksheets, so have rows, columns, and cells. We said we are going to learn about the core features of Excel. So here we have data entry and formatting as a core feature. Formulas and functions. For example, we have sum, average, if. We also have charts and graphs for visualization or for easy visualization. We have data analysis tools, for example, sorting, filtering, and pivot tables. Those are all under features of Microsoft Excel. So under the uses of Microsoft Excel, we have very many uses of Microsoft Excel. For example, you can use it in finance, you can use it in accounting, education, research, business, management, personal budgeting, and more. So there are very many uses, as you can see. Use Microsoft Excel to arrange your work, either in your office or any place that you may be. So what are the advantages of Microsoft Excel? Number one, it can save your time. You can do a lot of work just within a minute or within a couple of minutes, you're done. A work that someone can do for 2 days, you can do it just in a single day or even less or in minutes. It can improve accuracy, as we have seen that there are some functions that we have, for example, average, for example, the sum, the if functions, that one will improve accuracy because with a computer, it does not make errors. It is very consistent, not like human beings, which are fond of making errors every time. Another advantage, it makes a very large data set manageable. You can have a very big amount of data, but once you're using a spreadsheet or once you're using Microsoft Excel, it is very manageable because you can just command the computer to do something and it will do everything across all the pages or across all the sheets. Microsoft Excel can also support decision making. You can design a program on a computer, for example. You can design marks of students or the scores of students, and you update or you can command the computer or you design so that every mark is arranged grades or is accorded to some grades or some form of grades. For example, you can say any figure above 80, that is a distinction one. Any figure below 60 is a credit. So the computer will help you to decide. So you will see that any student with a less value will now go under a certain figure that you have designed. Another example, you can even design that let certain figure be in a certain position. For example, if you can design a report card of students with their scores, grades, positions, rankings, among others, you will be able to have guidance on decision making. For example, if the students have performed very well, you'll find that the grades are good or the grades are high. Let me say the best student is distinction, credits, and you don't have anyone failing or having a pass or F9. That one can guide your decision making in the next work you can do so that you can improve or you can maintain your good work. So this has been the introduction to Microsoft Excel. Hope you have learned something. And if you have found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap on the notification handle so that you get new videos and simple explanations like this. See you in the next video.